one idea that I had, because I heard that 10,000 PTI workers were in jail and many others are underground. And then if they put you in jail, what's going to happen? Are they going to allow PTI to contest elections without you? Or are they going to have to change the name? You got to start your own political party. And my idea was a political party called the PDKM, which is the Please Don't Kill Me Party, where anyone who leaves PTI gets to switch to that party, and then that would be their way to stay safe while they're contesting elections.
Well, Jeremy, let me tell you what's going on right now. Now it's a race against time. The tenure of this government ends on the 12th of August. Now what they're trying to do is,
1 month.
just under a month. So what they're trying to do is that they want to have me banned and put into prison before the 11th of August or 12th of August. And so I have these cases and these judges, the special appointed judges who are now hearing my cases, really speedy trials going on. And the whole idea is that I should be out of the race before the caretaker government comes in and the election campaign starts. Now, the problem with that is that, the cases that they're going to try and have me convicted in, they are no cases. These are bogus cases. So if they go, but what they want is that they will have me convicted, and then when I go to appeal for the higher court, by the time the appeal will be heard, the elections would be over, so I would be out of the race. So this is the game plan, and also put me in prison so that I can't campaign. All I think, my view on this is that what they are trying to do is they will completely discredit our democratic system in trying to dismantle and not allow a party which has over 70% rating in Pakistan today. So the biggest political party in the country with basically almost 70% of the people behind it, if you try and make sure that it is out of the race, basically you're dismantling the democracy of the country. And that's really what they're planning to do. And all I'm hoping is that some sense will prevail somewhere along the line, because all that would do is it will destabilize the country. The country desperately needs political stability, which will then lead to economic stability. But all what they're trying to do is actually, it's going to cause more destabilization. But there's a panic amongst those who are in power that somehow, whatever happens, I should not be allowed to come back into power.